Hello, trading is closed on July 22nd, 2021. Our disclaimer reminds you this is my trading plan for tomorrow, Friday, July 23rd, 2021. All my calls can be completely wrong and all trades should be at your own risk. Today we looked for the pattern with the early high, and this is it. Tomorrow should have the early low. So yesterday's pattern was positive, and we should trade higher even if we didn't close higher. And we said we had a good chance of hitting about 43, 48 and a half, even though it wasn't required. And we came within a point and a half of doing that, but didn't actually hit it. And just a reminder of what we said. During the day and the morning, MEJT gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal. Target was hit. MEJT said it wouldn't stick in price, so it would return to the other line, which it did. Got an ultimate buy signal in the afternoon. That's paid off. MEJT said this isn't for keeps. Target's 43.6123. Unless we gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. But futures are already up smartly. So it's entirely possible that this is going to be killed before the open. I don't know what's going to happen overnight, but if we don't gap up smartly, we should see it. But right now it looks like we are going to gap up smartly, in which case the price remains, but not the time. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. We could gap up. Typically, it's a rally day with a final hour high. Early weakness instead usually is followed by more weakness. It's a lower target. Unless we give up smartly, it should print. But futures are already up significantly, so it's entirely possible we get the gap and it won't print. Breadth has not gained in strength on the rally. I think you could argue some indices like the Russell and transports probably have already topped out. But that's not a precise timing indicator, and if bears can't turn this around fast, ideally by opening week tomorrow, the all-time high could well fall. I don't really have a count which says this is the end of the leg up, but that doesn't tell us anything about tomorrow. For right now, it's a pattern with the early low. It's usually a bullish day. Futures are up. If you're a bear, you have overnight to turn this around. Otherwise, we see higher prices in all likelihood. And the all-time high could well fall. Doesn't have to. And that is today's call.